Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by smelling and looking. If the chocolate smells burned or tastes ashy, stop and discard for safety. Once done, quickly remove any hardened, scorched bits with a sieve or spatula so they don't reheat into the batch. Next, set up a gentle double boiler and put the salvageable chocolate in a heatproof bowl. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons neutral oil or cocoa butter per 100 g to restore fluidity and soften grainy texture. You now focus on controlled reheating. Keep the water under the bowl at a gentle simmer so the chocolate stays below 60-65 degrees to prevent further scorching. As it softens, stir continuously and scrape the bowl's sides to blend melted and semi-melted pieces into a smooth emulsion. If it appears seized or separated, add a small emulsifier, 1 teaspoon lecithin or 1 to 2 teaspoons of warm cream, and whisk briskly until cohesion and gloss return. You finish by straining the rescued chocolate through a fine sieve into a clean bowl to remove any last particles, then temper gently or cool slowly for shine and snap. If the texture still feels off, repurpose the batch into ganache, batter, or as a melted compound for sauces and drips where perfect temper isn't required. If problems persist, remember the key troubleshooting tip. Never overheat, always use low. Even heat and cool in shallow pans.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.